Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Stripe billing for recurring subscriptions and apps step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Stripe website in your preferred web browser. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Billing section from the dashboard. Click on the Products tab to create a new product for your subscription. Select Add Product and fill in the necessary details such as the product name and description. Next, choose the pricing model for your subscription. Select Recurring as the pricing type to set up a billing cycle. Enter the amount you want to charge for the subscription. Specify the billing interval, such as monthly or yearly. Save your product once all details are entered accurately. Now, navigate to the Subscription section to create a subscription plan. Click on Add Subscription and select the product you just created. Set the start date and any trial period options if desired. Confirm all settings and click on Create Subscription. To integrate Stripe billing into your app, access the Developers section in the Stripe dashboard. Retrieve your API keys from the API section. Use these keys in your app's code to implement the Stripe Checkout or Payment Intents API. Make sure to test the integration using Stripe's test environment before going live. Once everything is working properly, you can switch to the live mode. Your app is now set up to handle recurring subscriptions with Stripe billing. Monitor your subscriptions and manage them from the Stripe dashboard as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.